Namaste and welcome to this simple wake up practice. We'll start with gently bringing awareness back into the body and encouraging it to wake up. It's a beautiful practice to start your day with. Let's get seated in a comfortable position. From here, I want you to just take your palms and just outline yourself, just slowly border from your palms the edges of your body. Just feeling the presence of your physical state. From here, we'll just heat up the palms and just place it on the shoulders, thanking ourselves for being so amazing, so beautiful. Massaging your hands, thanking it for being so supporting. And then we do some basic tapping to wake up the body. It's just like gently waking up a young toddler, a baby, someone you really love. So that's what it is like. Take 2 fingers, tap on your forehead. I am healthy, I am safe, and I am loved. Tap on your eyebrows, keep tapping. Tap under the eye, look up. Sides of the eye, on your cheekbone, the sides of your nose, on your upper lip, side of the ear. Take 4 fingers on your jaw, all the way down, coming to your collarbone. It's like gently waking up and saying good morning to yourself. Going forward, full palm on your arms. Full palm on your stomach. On your legs, across your body. Taking your knuckles on your soles of the feet. Other side. Last but not the least, your head. So this is something you have to be very generous about. Just very gently waking yourself up. Just gentle taps. Nice and slow, all corners. Now use your palms and press and pull your ears apart, waking up the system. Lovely. Pull your ears apart, hold. Pull the ears downwards apart, hold. Downwards apart, hold, and relax. Sit tall and just observe wherever you just made connection with your palms. Observe those taps, the sensation of those taps. And relax. Beautiful. That was a gentle waking up practice from my side for you. I hope you had a good one. Have a lovely day ahead.